Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Hub. In this video I will tell you how to create partition in Windows 10, 8, or Windows 7. First right-click on this PC. Go to Manage. Now go to Disk Management. Here all the hard drive attached to your system will be listed. Select the hard drive you want to make partition. Delete existing partition by simply right-click on that, and click on Delete Volume. Now you can see unallocated space. Just right-click on unallocated volume, and click on New Simple Volume. Click Next. Now enter the disk capacity here. Click Next. Here you can assign custom drive letter of your choice. Click Next. Now select file system you want to assign to the disk. FAT32 or NTFS. Click Next. Click on Finish. Your first partition has been ready. Repeat this step to create multiple partitions. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and click on subscribe button.